Hello. Hi. Amanda has no sleep. And she's lost her mind, and I just glued fake eyelashes onto her. Not very well. She's never had them on before. And she says they itch.
I don't know how people walk around like this. It's all I can see.
Welcome to today's video. Today we're doing mintMONGOOSE for December.
mintMONGOOSE, we're doing mintMONGOOSE.
We just tried to, what was it? Ask Suri. mintMONGOOSE, and what did he say?
mintMONGOOSE.
mintMONGOOSE, yeah. So, want to see what's in my little thing for mintMONGOOSE for December? Sit back, take a break with us.
Does everybody get the same thing?
I'm not 100% sure. I think you get similar things. But you can choose from gold, rose gold, or silver. And then you can also choose to get earrings, not get earrings, get watches, or not get watches.
Yeah.
So it just comes in a little thing like this. Little, I can never tell which way it goes. Little mintMONGOOSE stamp there. There we go. Oh, so it's a jewelry subscription. Should have said that before, but it's a jewelry subscription. You get 3 pieces every 3 months. You get a bonus item, and it is $12 a month plus shipping and handling. It's always packaged really cute. Tissue paper.
Did you pay ahead or did you pay monthly?
So I paid for 3 months at a time. I do think you got a little bit off if you did that, if I remember right. But actually, I think I get 1 more month after this, but I did cancel this one just because.
Got a lot of dollars.
Yeah. So it always comes with little Werthers in there. And usually everything's rolled up in my little bundle, but I got something out of there this month. There's a card.
It says, yay, it's here.
But there's something out of my little bundle this month, and this is a little ring. My nails are awful, so I'm just going to ignore those. This is kind of cute.
Simple?
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
Is it kind of adjustable?
Yeah. It's open in the back. I don't know. I kind of like this one, but I just feel like I haven't... Okay. My earring was like in my hair. I don't know.
That makes the herring.
Oh my gosh. She's very special, just so you know. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of hit or miss for me. Like, this came from there, and this is the first time I've ever even worn it. I don't even
Just
really...
glad it was not.
Huh? What?
You're like, what are you doing?
So these come in like little bundles with little...
You're giving people the pinky.
Tags. Yes, the pinky.
Amy prefers to do videos alone.
Spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Ooh. I probably won't be doing that,
I didn't
though.
know they sold stuff on your site.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so these are... I don't want to lose the backs. Earrings. They're cute.
So I wonder where they find their stuff.
I don't know. So they're just kind of like little dangly earrings that are... What would you call that?
They must make it to an extent because it's got the stamp.
Yeah,
on it.
a lot of it has a stamp on it. Yep.
They're pretty.
So, kind of, what would you call that?
A drop earring.
Clear stone.
Little drop diamond.
Yep. I'll put the back on that one before I lose it.
Teardrop.
What'd you do with the back? Oh, okay.
You need to calm.
She's distracting. She's had 2 cups of coffee. No?
Yeah.
So most of the time I find with this that the necklace and the earrings match. That seems to be the case this month. That's kind of pretty. I don't know what I would wear that with. I don't know.
Anything? A nice black shirt? The shirt you're wearing even?
Maybe. Try that. What you doing?
Throwing the garbage away.
Oh.
Keeping the glue.
ate it. I could have made it a little bit longer. I probably should have. I don't know. It's pretty.
It's cute.
That was Mint Mongoose for December. Have a great day. If you like videos like this, subscribe before you go, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!